Hey guys, my name is Prishita Pathak. If you want to know how to get this glowy makeup base, then please keep watching. So first I'm gonna apply this primer. This is from Swiss Beauty. This is a very dewy primer, perfect for a glowy base. Then I'm gonna apply foundation. This is from Maybelline New York Fit Me Foundation. It is a high coverage foundation. Now I'm gonna apply this concealer. This is again from Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer, and I apply it in some parts of my face to brighten that area. This loose powder is from Color Essence. I have reviewed it whole, so if you want to check that out, I will give the link to that video in my description box below. Now I am applying a bronzer. This bronzer is from Nykaa. Next I will apply blush. This blush is from Sugar Cosmetics. And now I am gonna apply highlighter to make my face more glowy. This is from the same palette that I applied the bronzer from. It is from Nykaa. And now I am gonna apply lipstick. Lipstick can change your whole look. That's it for this glowy base makeup tutorial. Like, subscribe and share my videos. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.